Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Mazda CX-9 key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the hidden emergency key blade. This metal key is crucial for safely prying open the fob without causing any damage. Keep it handy as we move to the next step of the process. Now that you have the emergency key, look for a small slot or notch on the side of your key fob. This is usually near where the emergency key was stored. Carefully insert the tip of the emergency key into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can begin to separate the two halves of the key fob. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once the two halves are slightly separated, you can gently pull them apart completely. Inside, you'll see the small, circular battery. Take note of its type, which is typically a CR2025 or CR2032 coin cell battery. You might need a small, non-metallic tool, like a plastic pry tool or a tiny flathead screwdriver, to carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Remember its orientation for correct replacement. To replace the battery, simply insert the new one, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Then, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to reinsert your emergency key. Before you go, check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly with your Mazda CX-9.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.